If you are sitting and you're still thinking about writing a book, or you have a dream of writing a book, this video is for you, because I am here to motivate you. I am here to give you the courage to express yourself in words and write the book. I like to think of the phrase, delayed is not denied. If you have been delayed in writing what your heart desires, it does not mean that you are denied from writing the book that you want to write. If there is a book that is in your heart, if there's a book that has not let you go to sleep at night, if there is a book that you wake up thinking about immediately, or you're reading a book and you think to yourself that you can write something, if not just as better than the book that you're reading, you need to write that book, because you never know what life has in store for you. You never know what God has waiting for you. He's waiting for you to do the work. And the scripture says, faith without good work is dead. You have to put in some kind of work in order for God to bless it. So write the book. Just write the book. I am so glad that I was obedient, that I am using my spiritual gifts, that I am using the talent that God gave me, and I am writing the books, okay? Plural books. So I am here to encourage you today. Just take your time, write a little bit a day. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Pace yourself, outline your work, but start writing the book. All right? Don't keep putting it off, because the only one that you're disappointing, the only one that you're hurting is yourself. All right? I have my books. I am writing. I am living my dream, and I want that for you. I want you to have the ability to look at your rankings on Amazon. I want, which my book was number 2, by the way, for 3 days in a row when it first released. All right. So I dropped to number 4, but we're going to keep working and getting back up to number 2 and back to, well, not back to, but to number 1. But I want you to have that ability and that joy of feeling accomplished and feeling that you have done the best that you can do, and you put your work out there and you have expressed yourself, and people are loving it. All right. So honor yourself and do what you love to do, and just write the book. I just received my copies of Emerald's Path, my new romance, from Black Legacy Publishing. So the publishing company sent me my personal copies, and I figured, why not unbox it for you guys online, right? So here we go. I have not looked. All I did was cut the tape, because this tape was strong, y'all. I was like, oh, I'm going to open it by myself and rip it. But no, that wasn't happening. But here we go. They look so pretty. And here we are. We got Emerald's Path. It looks so pretty. This is like such a major accomplishment. I am so thrilled beyond words. I can sit and read my own copy of my book and read about Emerald and Jeremiah. So I am like overjoyed. Y'all gonna have to give me a second. I just wanted to look. This looks so good. So this is it. I am lost for words. Somebody that writes and talks all the time, right? That's my job on television. I speak all the time and tell you about crime reality cases. And now I see my own book. And I'm like, what in the whole world? So you can find Emerald's Path on Amazon or at blacklegacypublishing.net to order your physical copy if you so desire. But this is it. And I can't wait. And now we have a next one coming July 3rd. So, y'all, I am putting my pen to work, okay? It is coming. I'm going to be putting these books out, and I can't wait for you to read them. This is exciting. Okay, y'all, I'm sitting here. I still have not moved from the unboxing of my book, Emerald's Path, that just released. It came out June 3rd, so we're just a week in, right? And there's just a passage that I love, and I want to read that to you. I'm not going to tell you how this came about, so you're going to have to read it yourself. But Jeremiah, the love of Emerald's life, he tells her, "You let me into your heart. You trusted me with your broken places. And every step we've taken since has felt like confirmation that God was in on this from the beginning, that our steps are indeed ordered." Y'all, I am just like so overjoyed that I get to hold the very thing that I conceptualized, the very thing that I have been working so hard to put out and get published. And now it's here. And it's different because, yes, I knew it released. Yes, I knew people are ordering paperback books. I know people are reading it on Amazon on their Kindles, but to actually for me to receive my book, and everybody else that ordered a book, the publisher has been shipping, so they'll be getting their books too if you are one of the ones that ordered. But to see it in my hands and have it be a tangible thing has been just, yeah, overwhelming. And to know that I have so many more, I am not a one hit wonder. Okay. Okay. So to know I have so many more works that are coming out that you will be able to read and follow along and go on this writing journey with me. I fell in love with books as a child. I wrote my first book when I was, well, just say some years ago, y'all, because I'm 28 forever, okay? But to know I got out of writing books and went to work in television, which was great, but I always had that craving to go back to working and writing in books because this was my books are my first passion. So to know that it has come full circle and to know that not only did I come back, but I got a multi-book publishing deal when I did decide to come back and start writing books again has been just mind blown. It is so surreal. I am so completely blessed. I am so grateful that I am in this position today to even come to you and talk to you about it. So please get your copies today. Pull up your Kindles, get it on your Kindle app, read the ebook, however you enjoy reading your books. Pick up your copy of Emerald's Path. You will not regret it. I promise you, it will be so much fun. And just sharing Emerald and Jeremiah's love story with you all is such a blessing. So I am not taking any of this for granted. I am definitely very, very thankful and continue to say my prayers daily. All right. Because prayer works. All right. And I tell people to just, as they say, as the old church mamas say, push. And that stands for pray until something happens. And this was my something happening. And I am very, very happy about it. So thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. But whatever you do, please don't forget to let the day enjoy you on purpose. I will see you next time.